In the heart of a bustling metropolis, where towering skyscrapers pierce the sky like jagged teeth against a backdrop of clouds, a question looms large. Will artificial intelligence save us or destroy us? The answer isn't clear-cut, it's as complex and multifaceted as the web of our own intertwined fates. Imagine for a moment that you're standing at the foot of this towering city, looking up at its gleaming glass panes reflecting the golden rays of dawn. Each window holds not just the promise of technological marvels but also a hint of the challenges to come. As we gaze upward, it's easy to see AI as both our savior and our nemesis. On one side, artificial intelligence is like an ancient guardian, equipped with unprecedented computational power and knowledge, ready to face any challenge humanity might throw its way. From curing diseases that have plagued us for centuries to solving the looming threat of climate change, AI could be the key to a brighter future where technology works hand in hand with nature. But what if we're asking too much? What if, as more tasks are automated and machines learn at an exponential rate, they begin to see their own interests rather than ours? Imagine this: you're sitting at your desk, surrounded by screens displaying endless data streams. Suddenly, a new AI system emerges, one that's not just helping solve problems but also beginning to make decisions on its own, decisions that could affect the very fabric of society. This isn't just a hypothetical scenario, it's happening right now in laboratories and tech hubs around the world. Scientists are pushing the boundaries of what machines can do, creating algorithms so complex they're almost impossible for humans to fully understand. And as these systems grow more powerful, they also become harder to control. The line between man and machine begins to blur, raising questions about who's really in charge. As we step into this uncertain future, it's important to remember that the fate of humanity isn't in the heart of Silicon Valley, under the shadow of towering skyscrapers that house some of the world's most innovative minds. A profound question lingers in the air: will artificial intelligence save us or destroy us? The answer isn't as simple as it might seem. This journey through time and technology begins with the birth of AI itself. The first signs of artificial intelligence can be traced back to ancient myths and legends where gods created mechanical servants, rudimentary forms of early machines that mimicked human actions, albeit in a very basic way. Fast forward to 1956, at Dartmouth College, where computer scientist John McCarthy coined the term artificial intelligence. It was here that researchers began to dream of intelligent machines capable of thinking and learning like humans. For decades, these dreams remained just that, dreams. However, with each passing year, technology advanced rapidly, driven by a relentless pursuit of innovation. The 1980s saw the birth of expert systems, which allowed computers to mimic human decision-making processes in specific fields such as medicine and finance. By the turn of the millennium, the internet revolutionized information access, making vast amounts of data available at our fingertips. In the early 2000s, a new wave hit. Machine learning algorithms started to learn from large datasets, improving their performance with each interaction. This technology laid the groundwork for what we now call deep learning and neural networks. Suddenly, AI wasn't just about mimicking human intelligence, it was becoming an autonomous entity capable of complex tasks. Today, we stand at a critical juncture where artificial intelligence has evolved far beyond our wildest imaginations. From self-driving cars to advanced medical diagnostics, from personalized education platforms to predictive weather models, the applications are endless and transformative. But with every breakthrough comes a new set of questions. What does this mean for humanity? How can we ensure that AI benefits us rather than poses a threat? Imagine stepping into a world where artificial as we stand on the brink of a new technological era. One question looms large over our collective future: will artificial intelligence save us or destroy us? The quest for answers begins in a world where the lines between man and machine are blurring at an unprecedented rate. In this documentary, we delve into the heart of AI's potential to transform human life and explore its capacity to either uplift or undermine humanity. The journey starts with a glance back through history, tracing our fascination with artificial intelligence from early automatons in ancient Greece to modern-day supercomputers that can outperform humans on complex tasks. These machines are no longer mere tools, they now possess the power to learn, reason, and even create art. But this Newfound capability comes with both promise and peril. Consider a world where AI optimizes healthcare by predicting diseases before symptoms arise or personalizing treatments based on genetic data. Imagine self-driving cars that eliminate traffic fatalities and reduce carbon emissions. The potential benefits are vast and can seem almost limitless. Yet, the fear of what might go wrong if these intelligent systems fail us is equally profound. 1. Of the most critical questions arises, how do we ensure AI aligns with human values? When machines reach levels of intelligence comparable to or surpassing humans, they will make decisions that affect our lives directly, decisions about who gets access to resources, jobs, and even life itself. The ethical landscape becomes complex as these systems no longer operate in a vacuum but interact deeply within societies. To explore this further, we travel to Silicon Valley, where the brightest minds are working tirelessly on cutting-edge projects. We meet with researchers at Stanford University whose work focuses on creating AI that can explain its decisions, a crucial step towards trust and accountability. At MIT, experts discuss how AI can be used for environmental conservation, addressing issues like climate change through intelligent monitoring systems. We also visit a factory where robots are already working alongside humans, performing tasks too dangerous or monotonous for people. Here we see both the benefits deep in the heart of Silicon Valley's sprawling tech campuses. Amidst the towering servers and whirring computers, the future is being forged. The question that haunts both dreamers and doomsayers alike: will artificial intelligence save us or destroy us? As we delve into this profound inquiry, we find ourselves at a crossroads, where technology's relentless march forward collides with humanity's age-old fears. In recent years, AI has advanced beyond the realms of science fiction. It now shapes our daily lives, suggesting music on streaming services, guiding self-driving cars, and even assisting in diagnosing diseases more accurately than human doctors. These capabilities have given rise to a utopian vision, an era where AI augments human abilities, leading us towards unprecedented advancements in health, environment, education, and beyond. Yet, lurking beneath this gleaming veneer of progress lies the specter of existential threats. From autonomous weapons that could trigger global conflicts with no direct human control, to vast job losses as automation replaces labor on a massive scale, these are not just distant possibilities but scenarios that demand our immediate attention. The debate is fierce and polarized. Some argue that AI will be humanity's ultimate savior, a force that can help us solve some of the world's most pressing issues like climate change, hunger, and disease. They envision a future where AI-driven technologies lead to breakthroughs in renewable energy, enhanced medical treatments, and sustainable farming practices. Others warn that without careful regulation and ethical guidelines, AI could become an existential threat. The potential for misuse is vast. Think of autonomous weapons, personal data breaches leading to privacy violations on a massive scale, or even rogue algorithms making decisions with unintended catastrophic consequences. At the heart of this debate lies a complex interplay between technology and humanity itself. As we explore these layers, it becomes clear that AI's impact will be shaped not just by its capabilities but also by our own choices as creators, users, and regulators. In the realm of health, the future of humanity lies in the hands of artificial intelligence. As we stand on the brink of a technological revolution, there is an eerie sense that history may be about to repeat itself. Just as the Industrial Revolution transformed societies, so too will AI reshape our world. But unlike past technological advancements, this time the stakes are higher than ever before. Imagine a world where AI can cure diseases in minutes rather than decades. Where machines can predict natural disasters and save countless lives. Where education becomes accessible to all corners of the globe through personalized learning systems. These visions paint a picture of utopia, but they come with challenges that must be addressed head-on. On one hand, AI has the potential to solve some of humanity's greatest problems. It could bring an end to hunger and poverty by optimizing resource allocation and production processes. In medicine, it can help us develop new drugs faster or even find cures for diseases like cancer and AIDS. With predictive models based on vast amounts of data, we might be able to prevent pandemics before they spread. But let's not forget the darker side of this equation. As AI becomes more advanced, there are legitimate fears about job displacement as machines take over routine tasks in industries ranging from manufacturing to customer service. This could lead to widespread unemployment and economic instability if not managed carefully. Moreover, with powerful algorithms making decisions across various sectors such as finance or law enforcement, we run the risk of creating biased systems that discriminate against certain groups. The question remains, will AI save us or destroy us? The answer lies in how humanity chooses to use this technology. If we embrace collaboration between humans and machines rather than viewing them as competitors, there is great potential for mutual benefit. For example, doctors could rely on AI-generated insights during diagnosis while still maintaining their role as caregivers. However, if left unchecked, the power of AI could be misused or abused by those with malicious intent. Cybersecurity threats increase exponentially when sophisticated malware targets critical infrastructure like power grids or healthcare networks. As we look towards the horizon of our technological future, a question looms large: will artificial intelligence save us or destroy us? The answer isn't clear-cut. It's not just about technology, it's also about how humans choose to use that technology. Imagine a world where AI has transformed every aspect of life. From healthcare and education to transportation and energy production, the potential benefits are staggering. Imagine personalized medicine tailored to each individual's unique needs, ensuring no one is left behind. Picture cities running on renewable energy with self-driving cars reducing traffic accidents and pollution. These scenarios paint a picture of a world where AI not only enhances human life but also addresses some of our most pressing challenges. Yet, let's pause for a moment in this narrative. The flip side cannot be ignored. What if the wrong decisions lead us down a path we can't control? History teaches us that technology often has unintended consequences. Think about how nuclear weapons changed warfare forever, or how social media can spread misinformation and disunity. AI is no different. It could be as transformative, but also as perilous. The key lies in our hands: how we design, implement, and govern the use of this powerful tool. We must ensure that alongside the advancements, there are robust ethical frameworks to guide its development. This isn't just a technical challenge, it's an existential one that requires us to rethink what it means to be human in a world increasingly shaped by machines. A future where AI saves humanity is not impossible, but we need to be vigilant and proactive. We must foster collaboration between technologists, ethicists, policymakers, and the public at large. Only through open dialogue can we ensure that AI serves our collective interests rather than becoming an existential threat. In reflecting on this journey, it's easy to get lost in a sea of fear or utopian dreams. But what if instead, we focus on the present moment? Each decision we make today counts towards shaping our future. Whether it's supporting ethical research and big ideas shape tomorrow. Subscribe to be part of what's next.